Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to address a common issue: how to fix audio out of sync problems on Instagram Reels. Before we jump into fixing it, let's understand why audio might be out of sync on Instagram. This can happen due to various reasons, including internet connectivity, app glitches, or device performance issues. The first things to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor internet connection can lead to delays in audio playbacks. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Open your Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and hit an update if there's an update available. On Android devices, try clearing the Instagram app's cache. This can sometimes resolve performance issue. On iOS devices, consider reinstalling the Instagram app to ensure you have a fresh installation. Also, if your device is running multiple apps or has low storage, it could affect Instagram's Reels performance. Close other apps and free up storage space if needed. Audio out of sync on Instagram Reels can be frustrating, but following the steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Remember, ensuring a stable internet connection and keeping your app updated are key factors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.